A new tutorial. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can remove background noise from your audios in Adobe Premiere. So I am using Adobe Premiere 2024, Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. So let me play the video and show you what is current state of this video right now. So as you can see, there's a very annoying background noise, and for which my voice is not clear, and it is a noise of the fan and also the the cooling fan on the laptop. So I created this tutorial, but it is there's too much noise. So to remove this, what you need to do is that you need to select the sound option. If you don't see the sound effect option, you can go to Windows, and from here you can click this one, essential sound, essential sound, and from here you need to click the dialog option. If you don't see the dialog option, then I have used it before, so it's not showing the dialog option. So there will be this is the one. So you will, when you open this essential sound option, you will see something like this. Okay, so from here click the dialog option, and from here click the reduce noise and increase the meter as you find suitable. So I have set it to 7.8, and let's play the video again. So this is how you remove the noise of an audio using Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can also increase the clip volume from here as well. So that's it. That's how you remove noise from any video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much, and if you need more tips and tricks about Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe Animate, comment on this video and I'll make a new video for you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care.